In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a product on Printify, from choosing a base item to publishing it directly to your connected store. To get started, log into your Printify account and open the Printify catalog. This is where you'll browse the available products you can customize and sell, including apparel, accessories, home goods, and more. Choose the base item you want to create. Once you've selected it, review the available print providers and pick the one that works best for your product. Providers can differ in areas like product availability, pricing, and fulfillment locations, so this choice determines who will print and ship the item. After selecting your provider, click Start Designing. This opens Printify's design editor, where you can upload your artwork or create a design using text. Add your file or text, then position and size it so it looks right on the product preview. Quick side note, for more practical Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. With the design in place, adjust the product variants you want to offer, such as the available sizes, colors, or other options shown for that item. Then review the pricing details and set your retail price. This is important because it determines what your customers pay and the profit you make after the product's base cost. When everything looks good, click Publish. Printify will then sync the product, including its design, variants, and pricing, to your connected store. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a product on Printify.